Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I am Nick Austin. In this episode, we are going to discuss about all the leaks and rumors, news, release date about upcoming HP Spectre x360 2019. Stay with us till the end of the video. Subscribe and follow us on social media's link in the description below to get more information about new upcoming technologies. The HP Spectre lineup has always comprised of laptops both ultra-portable and ultra-powerful. The HP Spectre x360 fits nicely into the latter category, with a flexible hinge, stylus support and both facial recognition and a fingerprint sensor. However, now that Whiskey Lake has hit the street and Nvidia's Turing graphics architecture is here, we thought it was the perfect time to predict of what the HP Spectre x360 2019 will look like. No matter what the result is, it's going to be way faster than the HP Spectre 2018. We know some leaks and rumors about the HP Spectre 2019 as of right now. We also can still do some speculation, and craft a wish list of what we want to see from the next HP Spectre. Lots of news will come to light in CES 2019. But now we only got the next HP Spectre release date, price, and some leaks and rumors.
Number 1. HP Spectre x360 2019 release date. It's too early to try and point out an exact HP Spectre 2019 release date, but instead we'll look to the past to try to predict the future. Things could shift a little one way or the other, but the next Intel mobile platform is here, so it's only a matter of time. We'll probably start to see movement once Intel gets its supply issues under control. Over the last few years, the HP Spectre has had a bit of an uneven release history. While the HP Spectre 2018 came out in February of this year, and HP refreshed it in October 2018. In February 2017, we got the HP Spectre 2017, but before that, the 2015 model dropped in October. It's kind of all over the place, and it could mean we have to wait a very long time for the next one. However, we're sure that if a ton of new hardware comes out, HP will be close behind with a hardware refresh for the HP Spectre. So, with the news of October refresh, we can predict that HP will release new Spectre next year, fall 2019.
Number 2. HP Spectre 2019 price. The current model of the Spectre x360 in the US is currently priced at $1,399 at this moment. Its slightly upgraded model price of $1,599 includes with 16 GB of RAM and NVIDIA GeForce MX150, 2 GB GDDR5 RAM, Intel UHD graphics 620. A slightly less expensive model is available in the US, priced at $1,369. For a couple $100 of savings, you get the same processor, 8 GB of memory, the same 4K display, and 256 GB of storage. On the high end of the customization options is a 2 TB SSD and an Intel Core i7-8705G for roughly $2,369. The HP Spectre 15 sits comfortably between the Dell XPS 15 and the Surface Book 2 when it comes to price. The XPS 15, without a 4K display and with discrete class Radeon Vega graphics, starts at $1,299. Jumping up the display's resolution to get closer to the Spectre's 4K capabilities, you're looking at $2,099 for a similar XPS 15. In 2019, HP will follow the same pricing pattern with upgraded hardware. Again, we will know more what the pricing is going to be until we get closer to launch, so stay tuned.
Number 3. What we might see according to leaks and rumors. The HP Spectre is already one of the best ultrabooks you can buy today, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have room to improve. So, we went ahead and created a rumors list about the HP Spectre 2019. Design. Spectre x360 doesn't change much about the recent design of the Spectre x360, and that's a great thing. Its machined aluminum chassis, which HP calls dark ash silver with copper lux accents, features the sophisticated black and copper color scheme, and the triangular edges on the rear of the machine look unique. Weighing 4.6 pounds and measuring 0.8 inches, the Spectre x360 is just as heavy and thick Lenovo Yoga 720. The Spectre x360 offers dual Thunderbolt 3 ports for extending your display and connecting to high-speed devices. They sit on the right side, near the HDMI port and fingerprint reader. The left side of the laptop features a USB 3.0 port, for those of us who haven't migrated over to the reversible USB Type-C future yet. A headphone jack and an SD memory card reader sit on the near edge of the left side. In 2019, according to the leaks and rumors, we'd see better cooling design, thermals and slide changes in design such as trackpad position changes, improved webcam, and new improved 4K display panel.
Processor and performance. HP Spectre will come up with more power. This might be hypocritical, but with Whiskey Lake, Coffee Lake Refresh and Cannon Lake rumored to be around the corner, we're hungry for stronger performance. If there's a way that HP can find a middle ground, include a beefier processor while creating a more robust cooling solution. That's not to mention graphics. Nvidia just launched its GeForce RTX lineup, and we suspect that mobile RTX chips will start to make their way to market by the end of the year, which should improve graphics performance drastically. Stylus and pen input. The HP Spectre x360 15 pen has two buttons on the stylus, one to erase part of your writing or drawing and the other to select an item or right-click on something. There's a comforting level of familiarity when holding the stylus, with similar weight to that of the regular pen or pencil. Touring on the stylus is done by tapping the tip to a surface, then gliding it across the display of the Spectre x360. We might see an improved version of stylus in 2019 refreshed model of HP Spectre x360.